English Idioms Explained, to rally round. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, to rally round. This idiom is not just about words, but about the spirit of community and support. So, let's dive in and understand what it truly means to rally round someone or something. To rally round is an idiom that means to come together to support someone in need or a cause. This phrase is often used when someone is going through a tough time, and their friends, family, or community members come together to provide support, help, or encouragement. The word, rally, here signifies gathering or uniting, while round implies doing so around someone or something. The origins of to rally round can be traced back to military terminology. In historical contexts, rally was used to describe troops regrouping after a retreat or disarray. Over time, this term evolved beyond the military context, symbolizing people coming together for a common purpose or to support one another in difficult times. Let's see some examples of how this phrase is used in sentences. 1. Community support. When the local library was under threat of closure, the entire town rallied round to save it. 2. Personal crisis. After Maria's surgery, her family and friends rallied round to ensure she had everything she needed during recovery. 3. Teamwork. Despite the challenges, the team rallied round to meet the project deadline. Understanding synonyms and similar phrases can enhance your comprehension and ability to use to rally round in different contexts. Some similar phrases are stand by someone, offering steadfast support, come to the aid of, helping someone in need, band together, unite for a common purpose. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of to rally round. This phrase is more than just words. It's about the strength of community and the power of collective support. Remember, language learning is a journey, and each idiom you master takes you one step further. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.